In this easy-to-follow beginner's guide, I'll show you how you can screen mirror or screencast your Android smartphone like Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, Xiaomi, and Motorola to your Amazon Fire TV using the built-in screen sharing feature. Before we can screen mirror, first we need to connect both our phone and our Fire TV to the same Wi-Fi. After that, we need to open the built-in screen mirroring option on our Fire TV. To do that, you can either go all the way to the right and open Settings, then open Display and Sounds, scroll down and select Enable Display Mirroring. Or you can also open it from the side panel by holding down the Home button or pressing the Settings button on your remote, then simply select Display Mirroring. Now that it's open on our TV, we will grab our smartphone, open the Control Center, and then open the Screen Mirroring Device list. On our Samsung, it's called Smart View. On other Android devices, this may be called Cast or Screencast. So just find and open it, and here you'll see your Amazon Fire TV's name. Now simply tap on your TV to connect to it, give it a second, and voila! Now your Android smartphone is being mirrored to your Amazon Fire TV. So now you can stream your smartphone's content on the big display of your Amazon Fire TV. And when you're done screen mirroring, you can either open your phone's control panel, tap on the screen mirroring option again to disconnect, or you can also press any button of your Alexa voice remote. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, you can drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you around.